Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Android keyboard not showing. Is your Android keyboard not showing up? Let's fix it quickly. First, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot solves the issue. If that doesn't work, go to Settings, then tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find your keyboard app like Gboard or Samsung Keyboard and tap on it. Now tap on Storage and then choose Clear Cache. If it still doesn't appear, go back and tap Force Stop, then try again. Also make sure your keyboard is set as default. After these steps, your keyboard should pop up and work just fine. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.